So what's going on today?
We're here with the Cleveland Metro Parks and Jen Brumfield is leading this trip, and she's got about 50 birders here, and we're all looking for unusual ducks and gulls out on the water. And this is a fabulous day because the ice is starting to melt, and the gulls are all sitting on the edge of the ice. It's really fun.
So if somebody was interested in joining you, how would they find out about this?
You look online to the Cleveland Metro Parks and Rocky River Nature Center, and you can find Sunday mornings. Meeting here happens frequently, and other parks have other bird trips too, like Acacia and Rocky River. They take walks with naturalists.
And is there anything unique about Cleveland as far as birding culture and what you can see here?
Geographically, because we have Lake Erie, it has a fabulous bird variety, and the migratory patterns from north to south and south to north make it interesting. Like when the birds are migrating north, they often have to land and gear up their body fats before they can fly across the lake. And other birds don't fly across the lake, they have to fly around the lake. So it makes a pattern that you can see a really unusual warblers and raptors and gulls and ducks.